Welcome to Quick Revision, friends. Topic of today's video is human digestive system. Topics to be covered: structure of organ forming digestive system, various digestive glands, digestion process, and disease of digestive system. Let's start with structure of organs forming digestive system. So digestive system consists of mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anal canal, and glands like salivary glands, liver, and pancreas. Digestive system starts with mouth, or you can call it as buccal cavity. This is the structure of mouth. It consists of upper lips, lower lips, teeth, vulva, hard palate, soft palate. Buccal cavity is bounded side by teeth and maxillary bones. It communicates behind with oral pharynx. The roof is formed by palate, soft palate, and hard palate. Cheeks form the fluffy side and binds to lip. Middle of the soft palate, vulva hangs. Buccal cavity consists of teeth and tongue. Teeth are amended in socket of jaw bones. Two type of teeth, temporary and permanent. Temporary are 20 and permanent are 32. Arrangement of teeth in each half is in order as 2 incisor, 1 canine, 2 premolar, 3 molar. Dental formula written as 2 1 2 3 divided by 2 1 2 3. Permanent teeth replace temporary teeth at the age of 6. This type of dentition is called diffodont. Now the structure of teeth. Tooth consists of crown, neck, root. Crown project above the gum. Neck is surrounded by gum. Root lies beneath it. Crown composed of enamel. Teeth is made up of hard material, dentin. Pulp cavity consists of connective tissue, blood vessels, and nerves. Now tongue. Tongues lie partially in mouth and pharynx. It is sensory organ associated with functions like swallowing, taste, speech. It attached to floor of oral cavity by frenulum. Upper surface of tongue consists of projection called papillae. 4 type of papillae: foliated papillae, pungiform papillae, filiform papillae, and valid papillae. Now salivary gland. 3 main type of salivary glands. Salivary glands are composed of group of sac-like alveoli which form small lobules. Duct from each lobules unite to form large duct which convey the secretion to main duct through which salivary secretion is poured into mouth. Principal salivary glands are parotid gland, largest gland, sublingual gland, and submaxillary gland. Now pharynx and esophagus. Pharynx lies behind the nose-mouth larynx. It is conical shaped, 12.5 cm long, divided into 3 parts: naso, oral, and laryngeal. Esophagus is a muscular tube 23 to 25 cm long. It lies behind the trachea and in front of vertebral column. It leads to stomach. Muscular sphincters regulate opening of esophagus into stomach. Now stomach consists of 3 main regions: cardiac, fundus, and pyloric atrium. Stomach is the most dilatable portion of alimentary canal, lies in epigastric region. 3 main parts as I told: cardiac portion, esophagus opens into it, fundus main body, and pyloric atrium lower horizontal part. Small intestine consists of 3 parts: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Small intestine is a tube about 6.25 meter long, extends from stomach to ileum cecal valve, located in umbilical region, surrounded by large intestine. 3 regions: U-shaped, duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Bile duct and pancreatic duct opens into duodenum. Large intestine consists of 3 regions. Large intestine is 1.5 meter long, begin as dilated pouch, cecum to which appendix attached. Cecum opens into colon, 3 regions, ascending, transverse and descending. Descending parts opens into rectum and rectum opens into anus. Thank you. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel. Human digestive system second part coming soon. Like it, share it.